I bet you didn't know your paycheck could work harder for you. Payday isn't just about that instant rush. If you want to make the most of your money, stick around for 4 essential steps that'll turn payday into your power day. That payday feeling is awesome. But don't let your paycheck disappear before you've put it to work for you. First up, pay your bills right away. Think rent, utilities, credit cards, groceries. Knock these out first so you're never stressing about late fees or high interest. Next, invest, even if it's just a little. Send a set amount straight to your investment or savings account. The key here is consistency, not size. Third, put some cash toward a goal or paying off debt. Maybe it's a vacation fund or chipping away at your student loans. Pick one target and make steady progress. Last step, guilt-free spending. Whatever's left, enjoy it mindfully. You've handled your responsibilities, so treat yourself without worry. Quick tip: if money still feels tight, focus on boosting your income and track your spending to spot any budget leaks. That's it. 4 simple steps every payday. Got a system that works for you? Drop it in the comments.